Hi guys, welcome to Ask Creative Schools. I'm Divya from Usharama College of Engineering and Technology. In this video, I'm going to explain about Android attendance management system with Wi-Fi technology. In present system, all work is done on the register. The whole session attendance is stored in the register, and at the end of the session, the results are generated. We are not interested in generating the reports in the middle of the session because it takes more time to calculate the attendance and it consumes more time, and it is not an user friendly. It requires lots of paperwork, and it requires more manual work. To overcome to overcome all these disadvantages, the application Android attendance management system using Wi-Fi technology is built for automating the processing of an attendance. When user connected to a particular Wi-Fi, by comparing the MAC address of Wi-Fi and mobile phone are valid, then the attendance has been automatically generated to the server in the form of an Excel sheet. To implement this idea, here I am using Android Studio with a version 2.3.0 with an SDK level of 23 and XAMPP server to store the local data. And I'm starting Android Studio. It takes some time to load. And I'm also starting the XAMPP control panel. In XAMPP control panel, start the Apache server and MySQL server. And this is my coding part of my project. The project contains of two folders, app and the Gradle. In Gradle, the dependencies that are required to compile the program are added here. Android com.android valley 1.1.00, and this dependency is used to get the data and post the data to the JSON file. And com.opencsv, it is used to import or export data to an external storage. And next, app, it contains Java files and the resources files. Java resource files contains the images and the layout files and all the values, and Java contains our activities. Manifest file. In Android programming, manifest file is in the heart of a program. The permissions that are required to run the program all are given here. to read write the external storage permission, and to access the Wi-Fi network, to access internet, and all the permissions are written here. And every activity in the application are called here. In this file, and the application. In this here the Wi-Fi code, this is my Wi-Fi code here. It is a Wi-Fi MAC address, and the SSID name is given here. If it trues, it goes to another activity. But now I am putting this in comments. Because here it is very difficult to show the Wi-Fi part. So I'm using an internet connection as a domain here. My program running now. This is the splash screen, which animates to 5 seconds. You can't swipe in now as the time is above 9 AM. Here in this code had given the time limit. Here string date to check 9. If the time is below 9 AM, the user who are connected to the Wi-Fi, attendance has been generated automatically. If the time is above 9, the attendance will not be generated. To show it clearly, fail to send the data. Okay, to show it clearly, here I am changing the time. Here I want to change the time, that is, and now the time is Okay, I want to change to 4. As the time is 3 a.m., I want to put 4 a.m. here. The user who are connected to a network below 4 o'clock will generate attendance, otherwise not. And then again I am running my code. After changing the time from 9 to 4 a.m., then it shows like this. Swipe in time 3 a.m. Next. It shows successfully send the data, and this data is sent to the server. Okay, I'm logged out from, and the swiping time 3 a.m. is shown in the server like this. Here a dashboard is designed using PHP and the data PHP and database as SQL in PHP MyAdmin. All the data from the mobile is transferred from the mobile devices to the server in the form of an API, that is application program interface, acts as an interface between the mobile and the server, that happen through an URL. When data reaches the server stores the data in the SQL database. We can see that in PHP MyAdmin data dashboard for the student list who marked the attendance can seen in the PHP MyAdmin, and a chatbot. It is an admin view. All the data from the PHP MyAdmin is sent to the chatbot. Sent to the chatbot. Here it is. d999cscd@gmail.com in time 3 o'clock. And here is a download option for the admin to download the general reports. And the whole output is shown in the Excel sheet form. Here it is attendance.csv. I will show you the Excel sheet also. Okay. and it's sent to me. And sorry, here is the attendance.csv. Output has been shown in the form of an Excel sheet. In this, it stores the roll number, name, email, branch, in time, and the created time, and the IP address, the MAC address of the mobile phone. And this is about my project. And the limitations and limitation of the project is if student lend his or her mobile to someone else in the classroom for his attendance can be marked true, student is not present. If the student is not present also, the attendance has been generated. To avoid this problem, a partial and alternative is to take an head count every time before the attendance is taken. And conclusion, automate the attendance management using the mobile device is to reduce the dependency on the natural resources, and also provide a way of communication between the parents and the teachers. And we will try to generate the daily report that will submit to the centralized server for its records. This can also use Wi-Fi technology for communication between the device and central server within campus. There are some future works which can be implemented future. Thank you guys.